Here's some essentials of yoga trivia. Subscribe. What type of yoga focuses on breath control? Is it A, Vinyasa flow, B, Bikram yoga, pranayama, or D, Iyengar yoga? The correct answer is C, pranayama. Which position is commonly known as downward dog? Is it A, Adho Mukha Svanasana, B, Child's Pose, C, Warrior 2, or D, Tree Pose? The correct answer is A, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Which style of yoga is known for flowing sequences? Is it A, Vinyasa, B, Bikram, C, Ashtanga, or D, Hatha? The correct answer is A, Vinyasa. What is the ultimate goal of yoga in Hindu philosophy? Is it A, moksha, B, karma, C, dharma, or D, samsara? The correct answer is A, moksha. Which ancient text outlines the principles of yoga? Is it A, Yoga Sutras, B, Iliad, C, Tao Te Ching, or D, Bible? The correct answer is A, Yoga Sutras. What does the term Namaste signify? Is it A, dismissal, B, respect or greeting, C, celebration, or D, rebellion? The correct answer is B, respect or greeting. Which pose is often performed at the start of a session? Is it A, fish pose, B, cobra pose, C, seated forward bend, or D, Tadasana? The correct answer is Tadasana. What's the term for a series of poses performed in succession? Is it A, salutation, B, stretch sequence, C, pose grouping, or D, movement pattern? The correct answer is A, salutation. Which yoga style is based on the teachings of Krishnamacharya? Is it A, Kundalini yoga, B, Hatha yoga, C, Ashtanga yoga, or D, Bikram yoga? The correct answer is C, Ashtanga yoga. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.